यार मेरे लिए एक पटियाला पैग बना दे। पर ये पटियाला पैग है क्या? अब ये वर्ड पटियाला पैग जो है ना, दिस इज नॉट जस्ट फेमस इन द सिटी ऑफ पटियाला और द स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, but is used famously all across the urban and rural cities of India, and it refers to an extraordinarily large measure of whiskey in a glass. A Patiala peg is measured by 4 fingers, typically from the bottom of your little finger to the top of your index finger. That's how high it is. So 2 large pegs of whiskey is typically 120 ml of whiskey in a glass. Now that's an awful lot of whiskey. But what is very interesting to know is whilst 120 ml of whiskey is very strong, a 120 ml glass of wine is actually a very elegant glass of wine to drink. So the next time you want to be Tismar Khan and you want to drink a Patiala peg but you still want to drink responsibly, then try a 120 ml glass of wine. It has much lower levels of alcohol, you can sip it slowly and it won't hit you as hard. So which one do you prefer, a Patiala peg of whiskey or a Patiala peg of wine? Share with your Patiala peg loving friends and let's get the party started. Cheers.